Welcome to the Nature Archives. Today, we journey deep into the rugged Mediterranean cliffs to uncover a silent, forgotten sentinel. Meet the Thorny Burnet, scientifically known as Sarcopoterium spinosum, a resilient, thorny marvel from the rose family, standing just 68 centimeters tall. But do not let its harsh exterior fool you. For centuries, its roots have held a vibrant secret. Within the ancient cauldrons, they release mesmerizing pitch-black and emerald green dyes, breathing life and color into historical fabrics. Yet, its true legacy is a legendary elixir. Ancient healers harnessed this plant to extinguish the fiercest stomach fires, soothe the gut, and clear the deepest respiratory ailments and chronic coughs. But the power of the Thorny Burnet goes far beyond the stomach. In the hands of traditional medicine, it became nature's ultimate emergency kit. It acts as a rapid fever reducer, cooling the body from within while effectively soothing painful tonsillitis. Perhaps its most remarkable trait is its ability to coagulate. A potent poultice made from its extracts can halt stubborn nosebleeds in an instant and accelerate the healing of severe skin boils. It is a masterclass in nature's pharmacy, offering relief from chronic pain that has plagued humanity for centuries. The legend of the Thorny Burnet did not end in antiquity. Today, modern science is unlocking the final secrets of its roots. Hidden within its dark extract is a massive concentration of powerful antioxidants capable of triggering rapid cellular regeneration. Even more astonishing, recent clinical studies have revealed its potent anti-diabetic properties. This forgotten shrub is actively fighting insulin resistance, proving that the ancient healers were centuries ahead of their time. From a simple defensive shrub to a master of ancient healing, the Thorny Burnet reminds us that nature's greatest treasures are often hidden behind the sharpest thorns. As modern science continues to rediscover these ancient apothecary secrets, one truth remains absolute. The archives of the natural world are vast, and we are just turning the first page. Subscribe to the Nature Archives and join us next time as we uncover another mystery of the Earth.